If you want to fix common issues on your Android phone without deleting your personal data, don't worry. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to reset all settings on your Android phone, so you can restore the default settings safely and easily. First of all, go to your mobile settings. Scroll down and in the last you will find an option as the additional settings. Tap on it. Scroll down and at the bottom here, go to Backup and Reset Settings. If not found in your device, you can search as well. Once there, press on Reset Phone. Now there are three options. If we will tap on this first option, it will reset Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. If we will tap on the second option, it will reset all the mobile settings, including network settings. And the last option is to reset our whole device, including media, apps, everything. But we will choose this second option, Reset All Settings. Reset all settings. Reset network settings and it will be applied on your device in a few seconds. That's it, guys. If you found this tutorial helpful, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.